Hello guys, today we have with us Pranavi who has cracked 43 LPA through EAPCET batch. So she is going to give you some tips and strategies which you can follow in your interviews or placements. This is going to be helpful for you all. Kindly watch the video till the end. So hi Pranavi, thank you for accepting our invitation. So first of all, could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you, Harsha. So I'm Pranavi. I'm studying final year in VIT-AP University with a 9+ CGPA, and I'm from Anantapur of Andhra Pradesh. So I have done my internship at ServiceNow in the Hyderabad. This is a short introduction. Yeah.
Can you explain about the company which have been placed? Like, what is the company and like what is the domain which it is working in, and what are the services provided by the company?
Okay. So the company name is ServiceNow. There are two offices in India. One is in Bangalore and the other one is in Hyderabad. So Hyderabad office is called as the IDC, Indian Development Center. And coming to the services or domain that ServiceNow is offering, it's actually a cloud, the platform as a service which offers solutions to other enterprises like the IT or the customer service management or the HR. So they provide solutions. It is like a interface which is provided to the other organizations so that they can build their own applications.
Okay, the company is
Which
like
is
a business to business
yeah,
company. Like the customers
yeah,
of the company are also various businesses.
yeah. Clients. We have clients. So I think Nika also uses ServiceNow platform. Moveworks. Yeah, many other companies are there.
Okay, Pranavi, like you are from EAPCET batch, right? So how is the
Yeah.
placement journey for EAPCET? Is there any difference? Because most of the people are asking me like say the question related to EAPCET people are shown any difference or anything like that.
I don't think there is any difference because in VIT, I think everyone is treated equally in the placements because they also want their students to get high package, right? So they don't do that such things. I think. And
Yeah.
coming to the placement journey, I practiced coding, and I think in the February I got a mail from the recruiter, ServiceNow recruiter, and he asked me to attend the online assessment. So after that online assessment, I got interview schedule, so which is around after 4 days. There are 3 rounds. After the 3 rounds, I got the mail of congratulation mail
Okay,
on the
Pranavi,
same
like
day.
I asked the question related to EAPCET because we are the first batch in EAPCET, so our
Yeah.
placements are the first placements in EAPCET batch. So it would be clear for the students who are coming into EAPCET through for VIT-APs. If we have a clear idea, like but they don't have, it would be helpful if they know the truth. So that's why I asked you same the question. Okay, coming to the next question is what is the placement process in this company? Like, what are the steps which you have been asked to do?
Placement process in the sense, I don't understand.
Like, you are recruited under summer internship, right?
Yeah.
Or else, yeah, okay. What is
Okay.
the like first process to get into summer internship, and then how it is converted into PPO or else full-time placement? Yeah.
So at first, ServiceNow came to the college through the hackathon. So I participated in the hackathon, but I don't know the results of it. I think they have my personal email, so I got a mail from the recruiter, as I said before. So as I said, interviews, and after that, there are 3 interviews. So after that, I got a selection mail. My internship started in June 10th to August. So it was a 2-month internship, summer internship. So the PPO is fully based on the performance that we show there, the project that we build on, and the contribution that we give to the project. Mainly, if I say that uh, there is a team of 4. Our project is a team of 4. The 3 are interns, and the other one is the senior software engineer. So I am the only one from India, and other 3 are from the US, San Francisco main headquarters. So I can say that I had a good exposure with the US people as well, and they are so friendly. And my buddy, Ravali, so she also helped me throughout the project. And after that, what happened is manager. It's entirely depends on manager whether to give PPO or not. I think my manager like my work. I think so. He gave a positive feedback, and I got the PPO offer at the last day. Yeah, this is what it happened. I mean, and they also said there will be a 6-month internship in the next year, and after that, full time job.
Yeah, you are given 6 months internship now, so that would be converted to full time. Is it so?
No. Full time is confirmed. Six
Okay.
month internship is like extra to learn more about it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, you are confirmed for the full time role, but you need to do 6 month internship also.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
based, entirely based on our wish.
So viewers, I will be doing a video regarding the summer internship, 6 month internship and full-time role. So I would be explaining all the terms. You don't need to be confused at all. Kindly view this video and then afterwards I will explain all this in detail. Coming to the next part, what is the view of your in CGPA? Like how far it impacted in your placement journey?
In VIT, the CGPA role is very high, so much because we have a lot of students, like so many people, both the EAPCET and the VIT triple E. If they have to shortlist, to the interview, the companies will come after. They ask for the students who are 9+ CGPA, but even though we have 9+ CGPA, we are not going to get. It's also depends on our resume, but I can say that 9+ is a good one.
Yeah, I want to add this on this because I have a CGPA of 8.7. So for super dream companies, the placements about 10 lakhs. So I'm not even getting shortlisted to even enter the examination which is used to further shortlist the people. So kindly remember this point and try to get a good CGPA as much as you can. So that is very important. So as per our knowledge, we are saying it.
Yeah,
Can
if
we
you have
can
9+,
yeah, continue.
then leave the CGPA aside and practice for the placements, I can say.
Yeah, if you have 9 or above, kindly maintain it and then focus on other parts, other coding practice or other things. So lead code would be a better choice to get into it. Okay, coming to work experience in service now, like you have worked as a summer intern in that company, right? So how is the work experience and how are the colleagues and how helpful are they? Can you elaborate on this?
Yeah, to be frank, it was a really wonderful experience. Where I had the opportunity to interact with a lot of talented people there. In our team, I'm the only one who is intern, except me. Everyone are like seniors who are above 5 years experience. They explained me the whole project, what to do, what is that, and everything. Even though if I have a single doubt, if it is not a serious one, they'll explain me how, what, and everything. They're so supportive. And not only our team, there are few other people like the early career team. They take care of all the new hires. So they also helped me a lot. If we have any doubts regarding the platform or anything, they'll help you. And now coming to the project, it's a really wonderful project.
So are you the only intern in working in that company?
Not the company, team. There are other interns as well.
Okay. In your team, you are the only one.
Yeah.
Okay. So that would be great if you learn from them. It would be helpful for us as well, for learning new things and getting to know the company and how is the procedures and all. Yeah, it's a good experience, I guess. So waiting for that opportunity. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. How are the different rounds in hiring process? Like what are the different rounds or what are the questions are?
Roles.
Sorry, rounds.
Rounds, okay. First one is the online assessment, and the other two are technical rounds, interviews, and the one is managerial round, the direct internship.
Okay, what type of questions are asked? What level of questions are asked?
I attend the interview for the internship, right? So my level of difficulty is easy to medium. I can say. When the questions are at that time, like in the February, that is in the 3-2 sem. Yeah, in the 3-2 sem, I was at the linked list. I was preparing linked list. So I was asked the linked list questions, heaps, and projects. Yeah, in the third round, manager asked me to share my screen and code in the online editor, that is HackerRank platform. So we discussed a lot about the time complexity, everything. Yeah, I can say that if you're trying for the internships, then you have to practice linked list. I mean the basic questions, the basic easy to
Okay,
medium questions.
the questions related to data structures and all.
Mm.
Data structures, arrays, strings.
I was not asked the previous question. Yeah,
Okay,
at first he asked me up to what data structure you are thorough with. I said,
okay,
yeah, up to trees. He didn't ask me trees.
okay. He asked only linked list and all.
Mm.
Okay. What topics in computer science subjects are most important according to in this interview process?
Apart from DSA,
Yeah.
DSA is the most important one. Apart from DSA, operating system, computer networks, aptitude, and DBMS,
Okay.
CML,
Databases, networks,
yeah,
and
operating
OOPS.
systems.
Yeah.
Yeah,
OOPS and all.
OOPS is also.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Operating system. Most of the core subjects.
Yeah, core subjects.
What are the resources you would recommend to follow for this placement process, like for coding or else for aptitude? It may be anything.
To be frank, I didn't use any resources. I just practiced all that topic-wise questions like that. But if you see my LinkedIn, sorry, LeapCode profile or any hacker rank, I didn't do many problems, just around 40 to 50. So we have to thorough with the data structures, how they are implemented from from the scratch. Then you can easily use them in the applications.
According to you, it's not about the number of problems being solved, or
Yeah,
it's about the depth of the question and how well you are learning the logic.
concept. Mm.
Yeah. How to tackle in-person interviews? So, what strategies or what did you follow to get through that?
In-person interviews, at first you'll be scared a little. I mean, in my first interview, that is the Barclays internship interview, I was scared. It didn't go well, but I got an opportunity to understand myself. And in the next interview, I did my best. That is a service no. I just interacted with them. How I interact with the professors. They're friendly, right? So I just asked them any doubts, and they replied me, "Yeah, it's like a conversation between you and your professor. There is nothing to be scared of. First
Yeah,
interview, because you don't know anything, it will be like that.
you need to deliver whatever you know. Apart from like, if you don't know, you don't need to be scared of that. You just need to
Yeah.
tell them that I am not aware of it, or like I can go through it if you require me to do so. These kind of answers are
Mm.
accepted, right?
Yeah. If you don't have any question, then just don't waste their time and your time. Tell them I don't know, I learn about that.
For upcoming juniors or third year students, like what would be your suggestions or tips and strategies that they need to follow?
If you are interested in STEM roles, software roles, then coding BSA is the only option you have. And if you are interested in AI/ML, then do the research work very much because if you see the roles like the machine learning engineer or the roles that is related to AI/ML, they ask for the research work and suggestions. Yeah, coding is the only one, and be ready with 2 or 3 projects. You have to know the entire implementation of those projects, which are in your resume, especially.
Okay. One more thing is, like, don't add all the unnecessary stuff which you don't know. Like certifications are not necessary until you know about it. Like you need to know everything about it. Then only kindly mention them in your resume. And like the jobs on specializations are very less according to me, like by seeing the placement season now, so the jobs on the specializations are very less, so kindly focus on the core subjects. So mostly jobs are based on software engineering roles only. You need to focus on core subjects. Specialization jobs are very less, and competitions among them is also very high. Kindly focus on coding and then main core subjects. Apart from them, if you are really interested and want to go in that domain only, then you can go for specialization. Otherwise, kindly focus only on core subjects. That's what I can suggest according to me till now, what I have seen.
As you said, for a fresher, there are mainly and mostly only the software roles. There are very few specialization roles, so I can see that we have to practice coding really well. And if you're interested in AI/ML, just keep that knowledge with you, and whenever time comes, you can show it.
Yeah, these specialization roles should be like added past to your main core subjects, not everything based on the specialization things. That's what I can suggest. And mainly for freshers in the sense like fourth year job coming freshers, the roles are based on these things, like mainly Java or Python, any language kind of thing, and then DSA, DBMS, and OS or networks, mainly based on core subjects.
Whatever you learn, you have to learn only the coding because they evaluate you based on your problem solving skills. If you go into the company, there is completely different tech stack which is specific for only that company. So if you learn JavaScript or React or whatever else, you can just have a basic idea, but don't go into depth now. After you join into the company, you can go into depth. Now you should practice and focus mainly on coding DSC.
Yeah. Thank you, Pranavi. And if you have any more doubts to ask related to the jobs and all, you can post it in the comment section, or else you can DM in on Instagram. If you have anything to ask with Pranavi, so you can do it in the comment section. She is happy to help you. And thank you once again. See you in the next video.
Yeah, thank you so much.